Hello friends, we are going to calculate force between two plates of a parallel plate capacitor. Here we will draw a parallel plate capacitor. You can see a parallel plate capacitor consists of two parallel plate. Say this is the plate A and this is the plate B. The two plates are separated by a distance d. The plate A is positively charged and the plate B is negatively charged. The region between two plates is filled within a dielectric of dielectric constant K. The capacitance C1 equal to K epsilon naught A by D. The electrostatic energy stored within the capacitor U1 equal to Q square divided by 2C. Now we substitute the value of capacitance, then we get Q square D divided by 2 K epsilon naught A. Now we increase the distance between two plates A and B from D to D plus X. Hence the capacitance will be changed and as well as the electrostatic energy will be changed. Okay. Here you see the new configuration of the parallel plate. The plate distance is changed from D to D plus X. Therefore, the new capacitance C2 equal to K epsilon naught A divided by D plus X, and the new electrostatic energy U2 equal to Q square by 2C2. We substitute the value of capacitance C2, therefore we get Q square into D plus X divided by 2K epsilon naught A. In the previous configuration, we see the energy U1 equal to Q square D by 2K epsilon naught A, and in the new configuration the electrostatic energy U2 equal to Q square D plus X by 2K epsilon naught A. Now we calculate the work done to increase the distance from D to d plus x, and this is W equal to U2 minus U1, that is change of electrostatic energy. Now we substitute the value of U2 and U1, and this is Q square d plus x divided by 2k epsilon naught a minus Q square d by 2k epsilon naught a. If we simplify, then we get W equal to Q square x divided by 2k epsilon naught a. This is the work done to increase the distance of two plates from D to D plus x. We know between two plates a force, attractive force F is acted, and this work done W equal to, we can write in the place of W, force into displacement. Here x is the displacement of two plates, therefore Fx equal to Q square x by 2k epsilon naught a. Then we get the force F equal to Q square by 2k epsilon naught a. This is the force. Now if we substitute the charge Q equal to sigma into A, as sigma is the charge density, therefore sigma square S square by 2k epsilon naught A, and we get sigma square A by 2k epsilon naught A. This is the force. If we want to calculate the electrostatic stress S equal to force by area, then we get S equal to sigma square by 2k epsilon naught. This is the electrostatic stress S equal to sigma square by 2k epsilon naught. If the region is vacuum, then k equal to 1, and then we get S equal to sigma square by 2 epsilon naught. This is the electrostatic energy for vacuum, and this is the force sigma square by 2k epsilon naught A. Here if the dielectric medium is vacuum, if there is no dielectric, then k equal to 1, and then we get F equal to Q square by 2 epsilon naught A. Okay, this is our force between two plates of a parallel plate capacitor.